Good morning students. As we have already started chapter 1, the name of the chapter is numbers up to 10,000. Today we will do expanded form of numbers. Students, as we have already done place value and face value. Now the expanded form of numbers. What is expanded form of numbers? When we expand a number to show the value of each digit is called expanded form of numbers. We take some more examples. The first example is 2385. The place value of each digit is written here. 2308 tens and 5 ones. In expanded form, we can write it like this: 2000 plus 380 plus 5. At ones place, we can write 5, at tens 80, at hundreds 300, at thousands 2000. It becomes 2385. We take some more examples. 6200. We can write it like this: 6000 plus 200. At tens place there is 0. We can write 0. At ones place it is 0. We can also write it 0. Next is 4777. In expanded form we can write it like this: 4000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 7. Next is short form of numbers. What is short form of numbers? When we write a number using digits is called short form of numbers. We already done expanded form. It is expanded form and it is short form of numbers. 5000 plus 120 plus 3. It becomes 5, 1, 2, 3. At ones place 3, tens place 2, 100 place 1 and 1000 place 5. It becomes 5123. Next is 2000 plus 3 plus 80 plus 5. It becomes 2385. Next is 9000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4. It is 9264. 9264. Next is 7000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 1. It is 7391. Next is comparison of numbers or compare the numbers. How can we compare two numbers? We can compare number to compare their positions. First we compare 1000 position, then we compare 100 position, then we compare tens position, and last is ones position. So we take first example 729 and 2034. So here is no 1000 place. So 2034 is greater than 724. So we put this sign. This is sign of greater number. 2034 is greater than 729. Next example 8324 and 8370. 8000 place. Here is also 8 at 1000 place. 3 at 100 place. Here is also 300 place. 2 at tens place. Here is 7 at tens place. So this number is greater than this number. 8370 is greater than 8324. So we put greater sign here. Next is 4630 and 4720 is here. 1000 place are equal. 100 place 7 is greater than 6. So this number is greater than this number. 4720 is greater than 4630. Next example is 3526. Here is 467. So here is no 1000 place. So 3526 is greater than 467. Next is arrange the numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order we write first smaller digit, next second smaller, next third smaller, and last is greater number. So what is the smallest in these digits? In 5 digits, 2348. Next is 3248, 8234, 4238, 4328. So which is the largest and which is the smallest? It is the smallest, and 8234 is greater. So we write smaller first, 2348, And next we compare remaining three numbers, 3248 and 4238, 4328. Which is smaller? 3248 is smaller than these. So we write this. In these number we compare first thousands are equal. Next is hundreds, 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2. So we take this number 4238. Next is 4328. We write here, and the largest number is 8238. It is largest number, and smallest number is 2348. Next is descending order. In descending order we write largest number first, next smaller, next smaller, next smaller, and the smallest number. So we take this example: 2178, 1278, 7128, 7218, 1872. So which is the greater number? 7000 or 7128 or 7218. So thousands are similar. At hundreds place, here is 1 and here is 2. So it is the greatest number. We write here 7218. Next is 7128. Next is we compare them. Here is 2 and here is 1 at 1000 place. So this is greater. We write 2178. Next is 1872 and last is 1278. This is descending order. First greatest number, next second great, next is this, next this, and last is smallest number. We take one example. We do ascending and descending order. 2437, 5428, 5390, and last is 2486. How can we write it in ascending order? First is smallest number, 2437. Next is 2486. Next is 5390, and last is largest number, 5428. In descending order we take the greatest number first. Next is 500, 390, 2486, 2437, the smallest digit. Thank you so much, students. This is all about today.